Change your heart. Have you ever wondered how to make wise decisions? Were you ever at a point in your life when it was hard to make a decision because of the many choices and different desires in your heart? Often, we find it difficult to discover the will of God for our lives. Knowing His will for us can lead us into making wise decisions for our present and our future. In life, we are faced with many choices and decisions, such as who to love, where to work, what to wear, whether to move to a new city, do something, or not, and so on. Many of those times we cannot find a direct answer in the scriptures about what to do or which way to go. However, the Bible gives us some principles for making the best and wisest decisions. Making wise decisions starts in our hearts. The Bible says in Jeremiah 17:9, "The heart is deceitful above all things, and desperately wicked, who can know it?" We know that our hearts are deceitful, but salvation involves a heart change. We were born into this world with wicked hearts, but God saved us and took away the heart of stone and gave us a heart of flesh. He changed our hearts, and now we can love God, love this world, and walk in truth. We are not lost beings anymore. We have the capacity to honor God inside of us. When our heart is delighting itself in God, it will see its desires fulfilled. Psalm 37:4 says, "Delight yourself also in the Lord, and He shall give you the desires of your heart." This verse is not saying that whatever we want, God is going to give to us. It is saying that when our hearts are in agreement with God, then God is pleased to fulfill the desires that He has given us. God fulfills the desires that He authored. We must strive for that, praying that God would unite our hearts to His, so we can be in a place where what we want is what He wants, and what we desire is what He desires. We need to make a change in our hearts from trusting in our own needs, wants, and desires, and instead, trust the Lord.